Hello and welcome to nuBeginning.com. If you are a solopreneur and looking to scale your business, you are in the right place. I'm Sue and I have been a solopreneur most of my life, so I do understand what challenges solopreneurs go through. They are working so hard for their family, but most of the time their friends, family, they don't understand them. The friends are generally having so-called regular jobs and they also don't understand why you're working so hard. Family doesn't understand, friend doesn't understand. Most solopreneurs don't even see second year in their business, and those who see second year, they don't see fifth year in the business. I was bedridden a few years back, miraculously received a healthy bonus life. I don't want to go into details of that story, but after recovery I really thought it is a bonus life. From that point on, I just wanted to dedicate my life for solopreneurs because I have been a solopreneur. I do understand their challenges. So it is my passion, my dream to provide various kinds of resources for solopreneurs. And that is how it got started. I want solopreneurs to follow their dream, live the life they always wanted to live. And that's why we strive to provide various kinds of resources. That's why I started blogging, podcasting, live training. All these are free resources, question and answer on various business topics on social media, business training on YouTube, subscriber only new resources every week. All these are free resources, but we also have value added resources like eCourses at the DIY prices, but they are offering you done with you kind of quality service because I provide all kinds of live trainings, joint venture community where you can borrow someone else's audience and you can grow really fast into your business. Branding hub by our sister company, My New Beginning. Every possible resource I just want to give to solopreneur. And if you feel something is missing, please tell me, I'll add. Focus on many vital areas like health, mindset, building confidence. So many things because Steve Jobs' last write-up really inspired me because that was full of regrets. Means he was quite famous and he achieved great success in one area, but he missed in so many other areas. I don't want solopreneurs to go through the same challenges. So we have resources even in the health, mindset, building confidence, and there are so many other areas. And if you want any more, I will add. Sure, means I will look forward to. I'll strive to provide various kinds of resources. So join the New Beginning family and let us grow together. Every Monday, I send out a new resource only to our email subscribers. Every Friday, 2 p.m., we have live sessions on various channels. So just stay tuned, join our family and become part of our family. Let's grow together. Stay tuned for all the latest updates. Thank you.